Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video and welcome to the winters. So off late I have just started to feel the chill in the air. I stay in Delhi and it wasn't very cold abhi tak, but suddenly from past 2-3 days I've started to feel that that real thund of Delhi. So I really thought there could not be any video as apt as today's. Today I will be talking about a sweater haul that I've purchased from Myntra, and I guess Myntra is going to have their end of season sale very soon, and I've purchased all of this from Myntra and all of these are available on Myntra. So during this sale, if you are in need of sweaters, make sure that you check out Myntra because end of season sale is really nice. I have been shopping a lot during the end of season sale and it has actually really proved to be worthy. So yeah, I have a couple of sweaters with me and I will be very honest that I'm actually lying. It is not just sweaters, but I have some hoodies and sweatshirts as well, but mostly I have sweaters, so that's why I call this video to be a sweater haul. I hope that's all right with you guys. So yes, let's get started with all of this. I have mostly I have Mast and Harbour. I'm very happy to be doing this video because it suddenly feels like, you know, those times when I just started doing YouTube, and I guess third or fourth video of mine was a Myntra haul, and I showed some of the brands that I really believed in at that moment, and I really cannot believe that even till today that holds so true, because I have shopped almost the same brands and I'm really liking it because they are good and they are very price effective as well. So let's get started. The first sweater that I want to quickly talk about is this one. I'm wearing this thing. This is from Shein, but I got this similar one. This is from Roadster, and it is, I guess, a home brand of Myntra. It is also available on Jabong because Jabong and Myntra are sister company. So Roadster is available on Myntra, Jabong and Flipkart, and it is apparently a good brand, a decent quality stuff they give. Plus it is affordable and you get a lot of variety of things. So that's why I guess I really like Roadster. I loved this one because mostly it is a fuzzy sweater. Let's start with describing this sweater first. It is a fuzzy sweater with this kind of a mock turtleneck, which looks really nice. It's kind of very in, and it has these full sleeves, and this is what it actually looks like. So it's very fuzzy, very soft, and I can just wear it just by itself, you know, without wearing anything underneath. Still it is quite warm. It feels really good, and mostly if you buy fuzzy sweaters, they are a little bit expensive. Mostly fuzzy sweaters are expensive, but this one I guess I got for 800 or 900 rupees. Since I got everything on a sale, I'm going to put the MRP and the sale amount on the screen for you guys just so that you have an idea. But I'm pretty sure that if you shop during the sale, which is the end of season sale, which is just coming up, you will probably get better deals than mine, because I really could not wait for the sale to start. I was just in need of some sweaters. So yeah, this is what it looks like, and this is size small. Still this one kind of runs like medium on me, so I had to cross check it ki bhaiya ye size small hi hai na, because it is a little bit loose on me. And yeah, I like my sweaters to be okay baggy sort, you know, not really very baggy but still baggy enough that I'm comfortable. So I love this one. It's quite nice. It's very fuzzy, it's very comfortable, and they had a lot of colors in this one. So before this one, you know, runs out of stock, make sure that you get these, because these kind of fuzzy sweaters, if they are affordable, really run out of stock very quickly. The next thing I got is a sweatshirt. Now guys, there's one brand on Myntra and Jabong which is called as Kook and Keech. I don't know why, but I have not seen a lot of people talk about it. It is really nice. They are moderately priced. I will not say very you know, affordable, but in moderation. Above 600 and below 1500 you'll get really decent stuff. Their quality is absolutely amazing. They do a lot of fun comic things like you know, Star Wars and a lot of Garfield and a lot of Mickey Mouse and all of that, and Disney characters. I really like their styles. Very fun, young, quirky, and good quality at the same time. So I guess if you are looking at Myntra, try Kook and Keech. I have a couple of things from them and I have never been disappointed really. So I got this sweatshirt. Now this was on my list from a really long time. This time around this went on a really massive sale, so I got it. This is what it looks like. It's kind of really cool. So it is grey on the side, and then it has this kind of a PU material in the front. This is a leatherish, it gives the effect of a leather material, but it is not really leather. And then this is what it actually looks like. There's this little hint of red on the side, which I guess looks really cool. And yeah, this was kind of sitting in the bag, so that's why it's kind of a little bit you know, not in its good shape, but I really like this one. I got myself in the size small, and the back looks extremely plain, but this is really nice, and I love to layer it with some jacket or denim jacket or leather jacket. This looks super duper nice. I got this one for around 600 or 700 only, and for that price point I guess it's really nice. So Kook and Keech, definitely try the brand if you like some cartoon characters and some fun things, you know. The next thing that I got is this one. This is again from one of my most favorite brands, you guys. If you know me, guys, you know I love Mast and Harbour as a brand. It is one of my most favorite brands for jeans, for really nice t-shirts, for bags. It's a good brand. It is a very good brand. So you must definitely check out Mast and Harbour. Again, it is available only on Myntra, Jabong and Flipkart. So I got this really nice basic black top. If I had to purchase a top similar to this one from Forever 21, this would have costed me, you know, almost double the price. I got this one for around 800 or something, and a similar ribbed black top on Forever 21 was for around 1400 or 1500 rupees. So that's why I prefer these kind of you know, home brands of Myntra and Jabong. They're really good in quality, and they sell very trendy things, and their quality is also good in a budget. So that's why I prefer these. So this is a very good quality one, and this is what it exactly looks like. It is nothing happening. I have got some basic pieces so that I can repeat them, and it's a basic piece. I know I'm going to wear this quite a lot. So I already have a black turtleneck. I wanted something which didn't have a this thing, you know, a turtleneck, but a simple round neck, and this is what it exactly looks like. Now this is in the size medium, and this is a little bit loose on me. So if I'm layering a jacket on top, I always prefer to wear something which is a little bit fitted. So I have ordered an exchange for this one, so I'm getting it in the size small. This one is still available. They have a lot of cute colors in this one, and the quality of the fabric is really soft. If you can see it on the camera, probably you can really tell that it is really soft, and it is really good fabric. It is really nice. It's a very soft fabric, and the original price of this one is actually, guys, $12.99, but this was on a little bit discount, not really a lot, but still this one is a piece that I'm going to wear very often, so I didn't mind paying for this one. Really like. It's a basic black thing, and I haven't gotten for anything which is crazy. Everything is like supremely basic, so that I can just, you know, mix and match and repeat a lot. Next thing is a hoodie that I got from, again, this brand called is Roadster. This was on a sale, and I just love the color combination. It's a mustard color with navy blue. I've already worn it, and this is what it looks like, guys. So it is quite a thick material. It is very warm as well, and the quality feels super duper nice. This is how it looks. So it has a hoodie at the back, and then it has a zip in the front. It is front open, 2 pockets on the sides, and this kind of a, you know, hemline, which is kind of striped, navy blue striped, like this. The sleeves and the hem are the same. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So I definitely have owned Roadster hoodies and all, but I didn't really quite like that quality. But this one, to my surprise, it's a very thick fabric. I hope you can just, you know, see the quality of it on the camera. It's very thick, and this is really nice. I love the color combination, so I went for it, but when I received it, I even liked it for the quality a lot. So love this one. Then moving on to a sweater, again, guys, from Roadster. This is the first time that I've shopped so much from Roadster, and I went for this basic gray sweater. Now this is inside out because I tried it. I received all of these today itself, not all of these, but mostly today itself. So I just tried them on, and this one is a basic knitted, you know, loose. Oh, that's what I hate. This one got caught in my wristwatch. Oh damn, this is now okay, never mind, we'll do something about it. So that is one thing, that is one problem that always happens with these kind of knitted sweaters. If they get stuck in your pin or in your wristwatch, it kind of just, you know, loosens the threads a little bit, I feel like. Anyway, so this is what it looks like. Simple basic gray sweater. It is very loosely knitted. It is very warm, but again, I'm going to wear it with a slip underneath or a spaghetti top or something underneath, so that there is a little bit more insulation and I feel warm, but it is warm anyway. So this is what it looks like. This one is a kind of you know, a loose, nice, slouchy kind of a sweater. I got myself in the size medium in this one. Again, in this one they had a very beautiful green color, a khaki green color, olive color, and then I guess they also had a navy color in this one. So they have some color selection in this one. I went for the gray one, just a basic nice you know, sweater to wear on jeans and whatnot. Yeah, so loved this one. This is what it looks like in the front, and then this is what it looks like at the back. So, you know, for the price point, the quality of this one is really nice. Now moving on to another of the hoodies that I got from Kook and Keech, let me show you, is this one. I don't know what to feel about it. Is this one, let me first show you. So this is what it looks like. This one is a Garfield one. I particularly love this. I already have a t-shirt in this exactly same print, and I loved this one. But you know guys, this one runs small, so even though I got myself in the size medium, this feels quite tight on me. I'm not really comfortable, so I just ordered an exchange for this one in a plus size. But this is what it looks like. Now this one is not very warm. It feels like a sweatshirt pretty much, and you know, you'll have to wear something if you are at a cold place like Delhi at this time of the year. This is not going to suffice. You'll have to layer it with a jacket or something. So, but if you're in the house, probably this will do. But it is not a very thick material. It is okay material. It is not very thin, but it is not a proper winter material. That's what I would say. But other than that, this portion right here in the center is black, and then the sleeves are kind of gray, and you have this pattern in the front, which is like a print Garfield thing. Love this one. The hoodie looks like this. It is not front open or anything. You'll just have to, you know, like a pullover, you'll have to wear it. And this is something that makes things really uncomfortable. You know, if there's a zip, you can just, you know, zip and then unzip. That's very easy, but this thing makes it really uncomfortable. And if the sizing runs small, that makes things even more difficult, you know. So I got myself in the size medium, considering that size small fits me. So size medium would be a little bit baggy, but to my surprise, this is small. That was that. Now moving on to the last sweater that I have to show you guys. It's from Mast and Harbour. I love this one, and we are nearing Christmas. So even if you celebrate Christmas or you do not celebrate Christmas, you cannot avoid Christmas. And myself in particular, I cannot stay away from wearing something festive on Christmas and lighting candles. Those are my two obsessions. So I got myself a Christmas sweater, guys, and I got this in really beautiful plum color. It is shiny, it is beautiful, and I guess this is perfect, you know, for the Christmas day. This is from Mast and Harbour. They have a lot of colors in this one. They have olive color, green color in this one. I guess they also have a purple color in this one. Not quite sure, but this beautiful color, this is a beautiful wine color or a plum color or a burgundy color, and it has this shiny fuzziness to it. Now I would be totally lying if I tell you guys that this is very comfortable, because it is not comfortable. This itches a little bit, you know. So if you are just wearing a bra and then you're wearing the sweater on top, it is going to itch you. So my suggestion, and the way how I would be wearing it, with a full sleeve top and then wear it, you know, on top of it. That way you'll also be comfortable, cozy and warm. It is not really that itchy that you'll be very uncomfortable. Still, if you're wearing it just, you know, on its own, then it is going to be a little bit uncomfortable. I am not going to lie to you guys. So this is what it looks like. But other than that, it is quite festive looking sweater. I don't call it a crop sweater. It is a perfect length on me. I mean, if you're taller than me, like if you're taller than 5 feet 3 inches, this might come as a slight crop sweater for you, but this one fits me just fine. Got myself in the size medium. Slightly baggy on me, but I'm fine with it, and I love this sweater. This is one of my most favorite sweaters, even though it is not very comfortable. But nobody said that all beautiful things are comfortable, and this one surely is not. So those were all the sweaters that I got for the season of winter, and something for Christmas as well. I hope you like this video. I hope you take away something from this video, and I really hope that you find this video useful for your shopping on Myntra for the end of season sale. Do check out end of season sale on Myntra if you're in need of stuff. Trust me, this is one of the best sales. It is better than the monsoon end of season sale, because monsoon is not a good time to purchase things, I feel like, because things don't last during the monsoon. But if you try and shop during this time, things are pretty much okay, and the sale is amazing. I hope you've liked this video. I know my sweaters were really basic, but these are the kind of sweaters that I wear on a regular day. I hope you've liked them, and do let me know which is your favorite sweater, which is the one you liked, which is the one you didn't like, and if you have any really nice style, or if you come across any nice sweater or anything on Myntra or Jabong or anywhere, just send me a link. Just give the link in the comment section below. I would definitely check that out. And yes, also comment and let me know which is your favorite sweater in the haul. Oh my god, I forgot to tell you, I also got this Madame sweater. I haven't yet received it, but it is again a fuzzy sweater. It's a beautiful sweater and I just couldn't pass this off. This one is expensive. This one is for 2,000 rupees. I'm just waiting for the Madame sweater to arrive, and then I'll decide whether to keep the Roadster fuzzy sweater, this fuzzy sweater from Roadster, or whether I'll be keeping that Madame sweater, you know. So I'll be keeping one of those. So yes. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you like the content that I create, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. There's that red bell button. No, there's that red button. Hit on that and then click that red bell button if you have not already clicked on the bell button, so that you get the notification about my future video updates and all of that, and you are the first one to watch my video if in case you want to watch my video. And what next? And if you've liked this video, guys, make sure that you hit that like button down there, a like button, so that I feel really motivated and I feel happy, and I'm going to really appreciate it. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. So I'll see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take care of yourself and I love you very much. Bye, guys. Mwah. Bye.